everyone, today in front of me I have a HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. So first of all, you need to open up the app gallery, at the search bar type in, well, either Google Chrome or Chrome. As you can see, it pops directly here. We can tap on this get button, don't ask again, and confirm the download and installation process just like so. After, we will be forwarded to the designated APK page for the Google Chrome. Tap on the download latest APK button, download APK, confirm the download, wait for the file, well, to get downloaded basically. Then we gotta open up the list of downloads and start the Google Chrome installation. Alrighty, as you can see, the installation process has been successfully finished. Now we gotta accept and continue, and after that we'll be able to start using the Google Chrome. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.